Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your battery draining issues on GoPro Lit Hero while the camera is off. There used to be a problem in old software versions for the camera called software leak. Power leak. And to fix that, you need to do a manual firmware update to the newest version of the camera. So you will need to use a computer for that manual update, and you will need an adapter for your SD card so you can put the files onto the update files onto the SD card. Then basically update your camera. So I'll get to my computer, I'll find the software and show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see, we have the GoPro Lit Hero manual update entered, and if you have a Windows computer, you can select the Windows. If you have a Mac, select the Mac. I have a Windows computer right now, so I'll be doing that. And you can see I need to click on Download Update here, and it'll start downloading a small file here. Now, let's insert my camera's microSD. I'll just need to get the microSD out of my camera and put it into an adapter that I'll use with my computer. So I have an adapter like this, which is like similar to the one shown on the photo on the computer on the right side, and I'll plug it into my computer now. Now let's transfer my file to my microSD card. So to do that, I will need to basically transfer the zip file extracted onto the SD. So let's do that. Let's go to File Explorer, go to my downloads, find the zip file, right-click on it and click on Extract All, then click on Extract. Wait a little moment, then you'll find the update folder. I'll click on Ctrl-C on my keyboard to copy the file. Then I'll go to my SD card and just paste it into the card. You can see you just put it into the card, not into any additional folder, just as an update. And now when your camera is powered off, so let's make sure that my camera is off, because I think currently it is on. Let's press and hold on the power button for it to power off. Let's insert the microSD card into the camera. And then we'll need to power on the camera. Hold on a second. Okay, let's close it here and let's power on the camera. Now it should start updating itself, although I'm not really sure whether it needs that update, because I think it already, in my case, it already has the, no, it's okay, it's updating anyway, so that's great. And yeah, it'll give me a message that the update is complete, so let's just give it a little more time. And also it is important that your camera has at least 20% of charge, because otherwise the update will not happen. You can see the update is complete. As it said, the camera will automatically restart, and now it is updated to the newest software version that I have downloaded. Let's go to the preferences and let's actually see in general, I believe. No, not in general. In camera info probably. It will give me the version number. Yeah, so this is the newest one currently, But if there's a newer one, then it's even better. The newer the version, the higher the chances of some issues being fixed. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.